The Marion Tallgrass Trail is a 12.44-mile, one-way paved path in Marion County, Ohio, built on the former Erie-Lackawanna Railroad line that was abandoned in 1976. It offers various recreational activities like biking, hiking, and walking. The trail passes through the Big Island Wildlife Area, which features a 53-acre lake and is known for wildlife viewing opportunities, including trumpeter swans, bald eagles, and beaver lodges. The trail lives up to its name of tall grass, as it does not appear that the grass or grounds has had any maintenance done on it in several years. The grass is uncut and the playground is overgrown, leading it to feel more abandoned by Marion's Parks and Recreations area, which brings in more rift raft and at times, in my opinion, can lead to potentially unsafe conditions. The trailhead offers plenty of parking, a nature center, playground, picnic tables, restroom, and a water fountain. The West End trailhead has a small parking lot, a basic picnic area, and a restroom. It's a no-frills spot that gets the job done if you need a place to leave your car or take a quick break. It also serves as a starting point for anyone planning to hike the trail from the west side or go in the opposite direction from the main entrance. As we wrap up this ride, I want to thank you for coming along. This trail is rated as easy. It's mostly flat and straight, with limited scenery or features to keep a cyclist particularly engaged. The full out and back distance is about 25 miles. That said, I want to be upfront about a personal experience I had after filming. On the return trip, I encountered two individuals whose behavior raised serious red flags. Because of that, I can in good conscience recommend this trail, especially for solo riders or people who could be more vulnerable. If you do decide to ride it, please go with a friend or in a group. And always trust your gut. If something doesn't feel right, don't second guess it. Prioritize your safety over courtesy. Sometimes your instincts will pick up on something before your brain does. Listen to that. Remove yourself from the situation and let someone know. Ride safe, and I'll see you on the next trail.